Good evening, bargainers. BargainGuy here with another review and unboxing. And today, we're going to look at the Minimalist Wallet from EvilBuy. Over the course of the years, I would always purchase my wallet from either Ross or Target, like any man would. But as time progressed, my wallet would become overstuffed with paper and credit card. And eventually, I'll end up sloping over to one side, like George Costanza from Seinfeld. So I did what any logical person would do, find a smaller wallet. I tried something a bit smaller, but the end result was always the same. That was until I found the Minimalist Wallet. What this wallet does is force you to carry up to 10 of your most important cards, some cash, and a few coins. Not to mention the added security of the RFID blocker. And for those who are not aware, the RFID is what enables people to pay by simply tapping their cards or smartphone in order to make a purchase. But in this imperfect world, thieves have found a way to turn simple living into easy picking by using a device to steal your information. So you can rest assured this wallet will protect your information. The body of this wallet is made from carbon fiber. It's slim and not to mention stylish. With this wallet at hand, the bulky wallet becomes a thing of the past. As you can see, removing the cards are simple. Now, you get all of this for simply $23. Here, you have a nice money clip / band on this end and a nice little compartment to hold a few coins and 2 SD cards. One of my favorite features. So if you're looking to free yourself from the outdated old bulky wallet, look into the Minimalist Wallet from EvilBuy. And for those who are part of the BargainGuy YouTube family, I have a Minimalist Wallet for you. Simply comment below, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel for your chance to win. And speaking of winners, the winner of last week's CR900 is 3B Dual Fatty. Thank you for being part of the BargainGuy family. Please contact me with your shipping information. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell. It's fun, it's free, and who doesn't like free? I know I do.